Okay, here we are in Durrës, Albania. We are visiting the espresso factory owned by Massimo and Sabina, who are from Italy, not far from Venice. So Sabina and Massimo, they moved from Italy to Albania and opened their espresso repair service for espresso equipment, espresso machine that brought directly from Italy. So why Albania? Because Albania offers a combination between cost of work, taxation, which is significantly more favorable than in other countries. So Massimo and Sabina, they restore professional Italian espresso machine, and the final product is finalized with the detailed photos and videos that's sent directly to potential clients before purchase is finalized. Some espresso equipment machines that you see right now wrapped, they're ready to be shipped, some of them to Vietnam, Korea, and other parts of the world. The cost of the espresso machine, because it's a second-hand espresso machine, but it's fully restored and repaired in proper functional production, and the cost of them is lower than buying the new one, but they can be performed and worked immediately and very well. So company in fact has a history of over 10 years selling online. They have telephone support, email, and chat. So if you a coffee shop owner or you're opening the restaurant, and if you're looking for affordable espresso machine to start your business, you can contact Massimo and Sabina directly on their website www.espressobarusato.com, which I will be posting their website after this video. So all prices are listed on their website. The production is absolutely incredible, and with the high quality of the final product, and in relation to sell price more competitive. So here you are, and there's a polishing going on for the espresso machine here, and final checkout before it's going to be wrapped and to be sent. And here we are in the espresso factory in Durrës, Albania. And again, if you're interested in purchasing and buying espresso machine that is totally restored and refurbished and has a proper high quality functional program on it, and you can contact Massimo and Sabina directly. Thank you, Maria, Durrës, Albania, and Glaucus Technology. Thank you.